Iranian chocolate soft candy ball sachet packaging machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. The feature of this machine, the stable speed of 6 sets chocolate soft candy ball sachet packaging machine can reach 200 sachets per minute. This machine can accomplish forming bag measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. The machine can be customized according to the size of the bag, and the number of candies in a bag can also be customized. We use 304 stainless steel and main machine frame. The contact part steel of machine can customize. Our company also offer OEM service. We have professional team.